Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a spacious brand new home for rent. It is located at Ambassador Heights in St. Andrew. It comes with two bedrooms and two and a half bathrooms, floor space of approximately 2,000 square feet, yard space and mountain views. Step into modern comfort with this brand new residence, offering spacious living and serene surroundings. This home is fully meshed and fully grilled for safety and comfort. Ceramic and porcelain floorings, which is stylish and durable. In unit laundry, ample yard space and green areas, perfect for gardening or outdoor enjoyment. With mountain views, you will enjoy peaceful natural scenery. There is also parking along the side, which is convenient. This is a perfect retreat for families or professionals looking for tranquil space. Call now to arrange your private viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this home is Jamaican 180,000, US 1,141, Canadian 1,633, Euro 1,048, or £887 to rent this home. Please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.